hi. Look, say hi, Mommy.
Oh, Mommy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Is that, what is that? Is that giraffe? Can you say giraffe? Huh? That's a elephant. Yeah.
What is it?
The elephant goes right here, baby. Right, like that.
What is what?
That's the ostrich.
Ostrich?
Ostrich? It goes right here. Good job.
What is that?
That's a deer.
Deer?
Yeah.
What does it do?
The deer goes there. Right here. And then that's a monkey. Hey, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Good job. You did it. You want a different one?
Yes.
Yes. Can Mommy have a kiss? Mama have kisses?